with a tactile soft touch exterior. We have demo units here beside the stage. Later on, you can feel it, you can touch it, try to get a hold of the laptop. It offers as a thin and light alternative. One of the things about the thin and light ngayon, di ba, sa market, pagka pang Notion, pag thin and light, ay medyo ano na yan, bitin na yung performance. Because something has to go. You want a lighter machine, you want a thinner machine, something has to go. But in this case, this is a full notebook having the full performance of a standard notebook. And if you're closely looking at Lenovo products now, especially in the consumer, the IdeaPad, which is our consumer line, it actually revolves around three concepts: responsive, simplified, comfortable. So all our IdeaPad line, from the S series, yun yung mga netbooks namin, and right now the Sleekbooks, to the G series. If you know the G series, are yung mga favorite bilhin ng tao. Why? Because it's very affordable. It's a full notebook, very basic. And we have the U series, the Ultrabook, and we even have the Y series, which is our high-performance notebook. The Z series kind of sits in between the really high-end and yung basic lang. So it's a sweet spot in our consumer today. Ang daming gusto nilang features. Minsan gusto talaga yung lahat ng specs mataas. Problema, the price of these laptops go high as well. Pag ang gusto mo naman yung basic lang, medyo below 20,000 or 20,000 range, you get a somewhat, medyo bitin na performance. So the Z series is not that expensive, it's not that inexpensive, it just sits there for consumers who are really looking for something in between. Okay, so I want to show you the design. Most of you have seen it. I saw earlier pinipicturean yung Z400 and Z500. You'll notice, first of all, it kind of looks like an Ultrabook, di ba? Pag malayo, because one thing about our Ultrabooks, yung LCD cover niya, which is the top cover, we call it the A cover, and the D cover, yung sa ilalim, halos pareho lang. Most notebooks, yung LCD cover, because yan yung nakikita, yun yung ginagandahan nila, but they sacrifice yung ilalim. Nagmumukhang cheap plastic. But in this case, you see a very simplified A cover, yung LCD cover, and the bottom cover. For the B and the C cover, ito yung sa LCD sa harap, saka yung palm rest, you get a metallic gray cover with a hairline effect. Okay, now most of you are wondering, okay, sige, thin and light, 25% slimmer. I wish I was 25% slimmer, but the Z series, ang galing niya, nagawa niya. In terms of the thinness niya, it's actually 26 millimeters. Kung medyo alam niyo yung mga facts about Ultrabooks, Sleekbooks, yung mga Ultrabooks, nasa 22 millimeters yan. So ito, a little above an Ultrabook specification, and then the weight is also somewhere very near an Ultrabook, which is 2 kilograms. Ang Ultrabook na dapat mga 1.8. So this Z series is actually around 2 kilograms, not heavy but light. On the keyboard, I think one of the things about our notebooks, if you look at the S, G, U, Y, Z, you see the same keyboard. This is what we call our AccuType keyboard. It's actually not a simple thing. Our designers, our engineers, really OCN, inisip nila, paano ba mapapaganda yung keyboard? Paano ba mas madali gamitin ng mga typist? It's very ergonomic, may curve, mayroong depth siya, so that the typing experience will be very good. Less prone to typing errors. And aside from having that keyboard, with the Z series, there's an optional keyboard backlight. So yung mga taong gusto yung medyo cool, or pag gabi siya lang nagtatrabaho, hindi makita yung keyboard, di ba? Unless i-on yung ilaw, you get to turn on the keyboard backlight. So aside from being cool, it also helps you see the keys, especially at night. And lastly, the touchpad. You know, nowadays, pag sinabing touchpad kasi, before pala, no, point and click lang. You know, you have that arrow, and then once you get to whatever you want to click on, click. Ngayon hindi na ganyan. Our touchpads are very intelligent. You can do a lot of things, especially with Windows 8 operating system now, which requires a lot of touching, a lot of gestures, a lot of manipulation, scroll up, scroll down, pinch, yung palaki, maximize, minimize. You can all do that with a touchpad now. Hindi lang siya point and click. Optical drive. Wanna highlight also because pag sinabi kasing maninipis na, normally ay hindi na kaya yung optical drive. But in this case, we can put a DVD writer up to a Blu-ray drive for our Z series. Now, performance, yan. So, our Z series can accommodate from the Core i3, Core i5, up to the Core i7 quad-core processors. Okay, these are the standard voltage processors, not the low voltage processors. So today, as we launch, you can actually see in the market right now in the stores, 3 variants of our Z series. We have an i3, we have an i5, and an i7. In terms of multimedia, because people who want to use computers, normally, ay paano may multimedia. They want to watch movies, they want to play games, yung mga photography, ano dyan, hobbies, they want to do Photoshop or ano mga software that they use to, you know, to edit their photos or videos. So our Z series actually are equipped with really good speakers. Normally, when you get a laptop, bibili ka lagi na external speaker para maganda yung tunog. Especially kung HD movie yan. But in this case, we are able to tweak the speakers, design the speakers in such a way that, you know, hindi siya tunog lata. Alam mo yung terminology natin na pagka-laptop ay parang tunog lata. This can actually play, you can even hear the bass. This is also achieved because it's actually Dolby Home Theater version 4 certified. Next is yung microphone. Minsan, we take for granted microphone. But nowadays, if you know, a lot of people go on video conferencing, sa Skype, may mga calls, you know, you use your laptop to call somebody, Skype to Skype, or even Skype to phone. Minsan maingay yung background, ang pangit na ng communication yung dating ng volume. It's because of the speakers. So with the speakers, it's actually we call it a digital array microphone. There's 2 microphones so that when you do your voice chats, the sound, the clarity will be much, much better. Okay, so the next few slides will be